I'm at Hilton Head Island, right here in South Carolina. And you know what it's time for? It's time to get the metal detector out and see if we can find something good out here. Alright, so I'm gonna run this baby in beach mode. Oh my goodness, I ain't got but 27% battery. We'll put this thing in beach mode. I'll show you the good targets, okay? So I'm gonna have to conserve my battery right now. Just to kind of let you know, I really enjoy Park 1 mode so much that I left it in it. It's got the 3 tones. I mean, I could have put it in beach mode, but I just put it in Park 1, and I'm gonna run it like that. So let's see what we can do with that. Somebody made a cool creation. Miss Mermaid over here. That's pretty good. Pretty good work. She needs a metal detector. She can get one from Calico if she wants one. I'm under this this tent right here. Somebody told me I had a wedding over here the other day. And anyway, we're gonna. The sand's hot right now. I ain't got my flip-flops. As usual, I've had that problem before. But I'm going to detect under here. I got like a 33, 34 here. I'm pretty sure it's a pull tab. Well, I got something here that's jumping a little bit. Oh yeah. Little dime. What's that? Take it. Alright, just found this here dime right here. It's about I don't know, about 4 inches. Rang up good. 77, 79. I don't know if it's rang up at 24. So just kind of getting everybody on the same page here. Just rang up at the 24. We'll go look at it here in just a minute, but we'll clean it off in just a minute. But there's a 20. That came up at 24 on the Simplex. Wasn't 2 inches down. Could it be AU? Who knows? About to find out. All right, everybody. I'm not done, but I wanted to do a little update on this this earring. It looks and appears like I'm sticking that thing out in the sun. Man, that thing just shines. But I looked at on the post there. You probably can't see it, but on the post there's some letters or numbers, and I zoomed it in, and it looks like S925. And them stones right there, and I mean they glow, man. But I don't know if they could be CZ, but these look like natural pearls. But it looks like I at least have a little silver. So I didn't end the day bad out here. I didn't really end the day, but so far so good. Let's keep it up. I got something real jumpy here. I'm gonna dig it anyways. It's not. I think it's a bottle cap. Old junky one. Nope, it's not either. It's a tent stake. Yep, more tent stakes. Good job, Steven. There it is. Little tent stake. Alright, I got a 76. It's jumping to 78, 82. It's out. Another can, something small. Probably coin size. Yep, it's dime. Hit the dimes today, boy. Like, alright, this ain't much, but it's a testament to what this detector will do now. Now, I don't even have the sensitivity. Well, I do have the sensitivity all the way up. I didn't have a sense. I had the sensitivity at 2 bars drop down from the top, and about, I would say, 5 inches down, I was getting a little blip, just a little blip, and so I threw it over in all metal mode, and I heard it, so I dug it out, and it kept going through the scoop because of the scoop's size or whatever. But this is a little bitty piece of metal here, just a little thing. I don't want to come off of this little. I miss half a size. That's a quarter size of a dime. But it picked that up, and that was about 6 inches, 5-6 inches down. So good job, Simplex. Let's get on something good. It's jumping. It's probably a bottle cap. It's not going down in the 50s or 70s or 60s, but it's probably a bottle cap. I'm up here with all the tents that people with the lifeguards put in place. Yeah, it's a bottle cap. Oh no. Alright, got a 67 right here. '67. Good old penny. Zinc penny. Early on in the video, I found a you know, that silver earring. It rang up 24. This time, what do we have? Piece of trash. Good deal. Yep, good deal. Hugs. I need a hug. I'm mad now. Now this is probably a pull tab. Probably a pull tab, just a couple inches under the ground, but because of where I am, I'm gonna dig them. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Yep. Good old pull tab. Kind of sealants all over the place here, but it's starting to settle in 18, 19. Settling to 18, 19. Let's see. Nah, see iron, so it's junk. Come on. No stinking way. Alright, got an earring. Not a bad find. I don't see any hallmarks. It's probably just a costume, but it has enough. No hallmarks. I'm sure it's just costume jewelry. Ain't really heavy either. Alright then. Well, it's been about 10 minutes since I found that other thing a while ago. Let's see what this is. Alright. Like it's more like over here. It's getting louder and deeper. It's out. I see it right there. There it is, a dime. Good deal. Got me a dime. 2020. Let me talk about it real quick while I'm walking down here. I'm in the wet sand, tide is going out. There was water here, you know, salt water over this about 30 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. And I'm making my way down into the water. This thing is stable. Now, I've got it on Park 1 mode because I like the 3 tones. I always ground balance to 0 when I'm out in salt water. I'm discriminating up to 15. I don't have to do that, but I am. But I'm actually gonna go out here in the water, and this thing is super stable. I don't hear a beep out of this thing, and it'll give it that really light zip every once in a while as you're moving it, swinging it back and forth. But it is a super stable detector. I don't care what anybody tells you, but it is. It's very stable. So I'm just going to kind of show you. I know you can't hear it, and that's a good thing. You can't hear it because I can't hear it. It's super stable. But I'm actually out here in the water, and this baby is stable. Now the tide's out, so the current's not bad. So I'm just trying to see if I can find anything golds, any kind of gold rings that may have made its way down here, and it's just kind of staying out here. So I've been making a couple pads, a couple treks down in this water to see if I hear anything. I'm not hearing anything, and it's super quiet. I mean, it's not giving me no sound at all. No different than I was in the sand a while ago. So Simplex is a great machine. Nokta Makro did a great job with it. It's not a coin. It's to something bigger. There it is. Can. Get this can out of here. It's jumping around. It's probably a bottle cap. Stinking hair thing. There we go. Alright, everybody. Well, it's been fun. Been out here metal detecting the last 3 days. You know, give or take whenever I get out here. And just doing stuff with family, and finally just you know, being able to get out here and do some detecting. But you know, have a good time. I'm not out here for this. I'm out here to spend time with my family. So just whenever I get a chance to metal detect, I do. But had a good time doing it. Found those. Well, I'll just show you what I found, and then we'll just wrap this baby up. Yeah, there's a whole lot more stuff here than what I found, because my kids are just awesome. I got all this stuff out of the ocean and out of the sand, so that way it wouldn't be bothering anybody else. We're gonna put that in the trash. Put it in the trash can in just a minute. Bunch of bottle caps, pull tabs, just random trash. Found these 5 dimes, these 4 pennies. Found those with a Simplex. Yep, there's a ring right here. I didn't find this. My daughter just found this out in the parking lot, and it doesn't have a name on it. It looks shiny there, but it doesn't have any hallmarks on the inside of it. I'll do some more checking on it, but it's a pretty one though. Y'all take a look at that. But put that down here. Let y'all see this stuff here close up. Abby found these sunglasses on, I think, day 1. Jacob found these right here today, and they're just cheap glasses, but they found them. And then also the coolest finds, I found this while we was out today doing some putt-putting. So that really ain't a metal detector find, but it's a find from the week down here. Found this right here with a Simplex today. Found this right here. It does not have hallmarks, and it also has some green on it right around the post, right in there. So nothing to it. And then also I found this right here, and that's that thing I found early on in this week, back on Monday. I'm sorry, Sunday. But anyway, well, it does it. That does it for another summer of 2021 on the beach. I'm sure you'll see a couple more videos of me at the lake, and maybe hook back up with Chris and get back in the lake again. Got a lot going on, planning a lot of stuff. Probably trying to plan to do a metal detecting event in the spring at Vane Mountain, in the fall at Loud Mine next year, and also probably going to do one out west as well, Arizona or California. So big things coming to SRELICS and the hunting and everything. So the hunting events, hunt events and training and stuff like that. But anyway, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you have a good day. God bless, and we will see you next time.